Hey guys, my name is Samu and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight Technology. It's done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix this Windows update error. So it's a very simple fix and let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do first is you're going to click on your start button and type in Windows update settings. Okay, so this method works both in Windows 11 and Windows 10. I'm currently on Windows 10. So yeah, so if you have the error right here, you're going to click on check for updates, or if you have updates already, you're going to install them. Okay, just click on the install button, let it install. It will prompt you for a restart and just click on restart and make sure all the updates are installed. And I check for updates and you can see that I don't have updates. Okay, if this method does not work, you're going to close that, click on the start button and search for troubleshoot settings right here. So in this troubleshoot settings, you're going to click on additional troubleshooters and you can see here it says Windows update. Click on that and click on run the troubleshooter and this will pop up. Okay, it will detect and it will help you solve the problem. So that's about it guys for this tutorial. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put it down in the comments below. And I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe. And I'm out.